One of my favorite NetBeans features is the JPA code generation, both JPA entities and DAOs. So I'm going to write a quick demo on how to do that and how we can incorporate it into an application. I already started a project just to save some time. Is a web application project using JSF and PrimeFaces, and this page is automatically generated, which serves as a starting point for our application. Okay, so let's go ahead and create some JPA entities. We're going to use a sample database that's included with NetBeans. Okay, let's add all the tables. All these defaults are fine. Let's just add a package. That will do it. Okay, our entities are being generated. Let's take a look at one of them real quick. It's a pretty standard JPA entity with some generated name queries, some bean validation, getters and setters, so on and so forth. Now let's go ahead and create some DAOs. So session beans for entity classes, add all. Okay, and let's change the package to be facade, since they add as a facade for entity manager. Let's take a quick look at one of the generated DAOs, just our customer facade. So we can see there's not much here, only a couple of methods. All of our facades extend abstract facade, which is where all the CRUD methods are: create, edit, remove, find all, so on and so forth. Okay, so now that we have our JPA code, let's write some JSF code that uses it. So let's create a new JSF managed bean. Okay, the package, let's make it okay. Now we want to use the customer facade, which is an EJB, so we use the EJB annotation. Okay, and this automatically injects it into our code. And we want a method that will be automatically called when the bean is initialized. For that, we use the post construct annotation. Let's just invoke customer facade dot find all to get all of our entities. Now if we right click here, refactor, and introduce field, okay, and new member variables automatically generated. Now we need some getters and setters, so alt insert getter and setter, select, and off we go. And now our managed bean is ready. So let's go to the facelets page and let's add a PrimeFaces data table. For customer. Okay. Close that. Now we're going to add a single column. And in here we want to show the customer name. Okay, right click, run. Here's our modified application, and all this data came from the database. So there you have it.